Jai Hind. To find us, you must be good. To catch us, you must be fast. But to beat us, I think you must be kidding. Yes, I'm talking about the Indian Navy. Today is the Indian Navy Day, 4 December 1971. This is the achievements and remembrance of Indian Navy victory during Trident operations. Indian Navy destroyed the Karachi harbor by using the anti-ship missiles. On this great day, I wish everybody on behalf of Doon Defence Academy, student, faculty, staff, wish you all happy Navy Day. As you say, join the Navy, see the world, the great service for excellent future. Once again, wish you all happy Navy Day. This day has been celebrating today in Thiruvananthapuram in Kerala in presence of President of India, and this is the proud feeling that I was a part of Indian Navy. They completed 23 of service and visited 35 countries around the world and taken part in various operations of Indian Navy in various warships. Once again, all the sailors, officers serving in the Navy and all the naval veterans and their families, wish you all happy Indian Navy Day. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram and Sani Varna.
गुड आफ्टरनून। मैं निर्मल सिंह, भूतपूर्व नौसैनिक, आप सभी को अपने परिवार की तरफ से नेवी डे के उपलक्ष्य में बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं। जय हिंद, जय भारत।
मैं भारतीय नौसैनिक एलपी थापा भारतीय नौसेना दिवस के उपलक्ष्य में भारतीय नौसेना के सभी नौसैनिकों व अधिकारियों व उनके परिवारों को मेरी तरफ से बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं और उनकी उज्जवल भविष्य की कामना करता हूं। जय हिंद।
With courage strong and heart so true. Happy Navy Day, our pride is you. Hi everyone, I am Anshuman, one of the English faculty members at DDA, and on this day I wish you all a very happy Navy Day. God bless you all. Thank you.
जय हिंद एवरीवन। एक्सपर्ट्स कहते हैं कि अगली जो लड़ाई होगी वो पानी पे होगी, तो स्टूडेंट्स लेट्स मेक आवर नेवी स्ट्रांग। शिवाजी महाराज की जय, भारत माता की जय। और वैसे भी इस नेवी डे पे हम आपको शुभकामनाएं देना चाहते हैं। हैप्पी नेवी डे। संदीप सर्स डून डिफेंस एकेडमी का एक अलग सा स्नेह है, अलग सा प्यार है नेवी के लिए, वो आप सब जानते हैं क्यों। तो अंत में मैं ये एक शब्द कहना चाहता हूँ जो नेवी का ही अपना मोटो भी है, सम नु वरुणा। सो आई वुड लाइक टू से मे द लॉर्ड ऑफ ओशियंस have mercy on us, have blessings upon us, have auspicious upon us. Jai Hind, happy Navy Day to every one of you guys. Enjoy this day, feel proud, and let's go, let's fight, let's get our dream and serve our country. Jai Hind, bye bye.
Jai Hind everyone. This is Surbhi Singh, a Pratham Pak Course 3 cadet. Today, on this special occasion, as we celebrate Navy Day, to honor the sacrifices and achievements of the Indian Navy and to commemorate the successful Operation Trident. This day is also celebrated to spread awareness about Indian Navy's role in protecting maritime interests, spreading awareness about communal interests. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Jai Hind everyone, this is Cadet Prashasa. On the occasion of Navy Day, I wish you all happy Navy Day. The Navy Day is an acknowledgement of Indian Navy's role in Operation Trident in 1971 war. More importantly, it is the tribute to courage and bravery. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Jai Hind everyone, this is Cadet Vaishnavi Singh from Pratham Pak Course 3. I want to express my heartfelt gratitude to all the soldiers on the occasion of Navy Day. We salute our brave sailors who guard our seas with courage, discipline and unwavering dedication. From cutting through waves of 30 plus knots to mastering advanced radar, sonar and stealth technologies, our noble warriors led with strength and innovation. Thank you Jal Sena for your sacrifice, support and steadfast spirit. Thank you and Jai Hind.
Jai Hind everyone, I am Cadet Swastika Shah from Pratham Pak Course 3 and I am standing here to share something on Navy Day. As we all know, 4th of December is celebrated as Navy Day to remember the surprise attack on Karachi Harbour on 4th and 5th of December 1971. Lastly, from the bottom of my heart, I would like to thank all the retired Navy officers and the present servicing officers as Happy Navy Day. Thank you.
Jai Hind everyone. I, Cadet Abhyuday Iyer, Pratham Pak Course 3, Class 9th. I am here to tell you about Navy Day, celebrated on 4th November every year in India. This day commemorates the attack on Karachi Harbour. On this auspicious occasion, we celebrate our heroes who navigate the disastrous seas of the Indian Ocean, Arabian Sea and the Bay of Bengal with waves of 30 plus knots and storms that require their unwavering strength and teamwork. On deck, they support each other like a family. They live like a family. And even on land, they are such close friends that they remember their days on sea. Their strength, support, and unwavering services are essential for the development and protection of our nation. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Jai Hind. I am Cadet Siddhant Tiwari, a Pratampak Coast 2nd Cadet of Sandeep Sir's Dune Defence Academy. So today I am here to wish Happy Indian Navy Day to all those soldiers who gave their lives in the Trident War of the Navy. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Jai Hind to everyone. I am Cadet Alabhay Sharma, currently studying in this beautiful and equally auspicious institution of Sandeep Sir's Dune Defence Academy. I am currently studying in class 11th. So, the Navy Day was celebrated due to the victory of India in the Trident War. The Indian Navy helped us secure a handsome victory in that war. So, I congratulate all the submariners and mariners for this day. Thank you so much and Jai Hind.
Jai Hind everyone. My name is Divyanshu Rao and I am from Pratampak Course 3, and today on this auspicious day I wish everyone Happy Navy Day. Thank you.
Jai Hind everyone. My name is Parikat Sharma, Cadet of Course 3 Pratampak, and today on this auspicious day I wish you all Happy Navy Day. Jai Hind.
Jai Hind to all. My name is Cadet Satvik Kodigre of Course 03. I wish you all Happy Navy Day on the tribute of the Trident War. I thank all the submariners and all the soldiers who have contributed their life for our safety. Thank you so much.
Jai Hind everyone. Myself Cadet Karan Singh, a Pratampak Coast 2 Cadet. I wish you a very happy Navy Day on the occasion of Navy Day. Thank you.
Jai Hind everyone. I am Vihan Yagnik and I am Pratampak Coast 2 Cadet. I wish you a very happy Navy Day. Thank you.
Good afternoon everyone. I am Sujan Biswa, a Pratampak Coast 2 Cadet. I stand by here to wish you a happy Navy Day. My heartfelt gratitude to all the navies, Indian navies who are serving our nations. Thank you.
Good afternoon everyone. My name is Sagar. I am a Pratampak Course 2 Cadet. On the occasion of Navy Day, I wish you a happy Navy Day. Thank you.
Hello everyone. I am Kumkum from Bihar, student of Sandeep Sir Dune Defence Academy. Basically, Navy Day celebrate 9 December every year to commemorate the success of Operation Trident during the Indo-Pak War. The day of honors. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Jai Hind everyone. This is aspirant Meena Bhandari from Sandeep Sir's Dune Defence Academy. Every year, as you all know that, we celebrate Navy Day. Actually, Navy Day marks the successful naval operations led by Indian Navy in 1971 Indo-POK War. In 4th of December 1971, Indian Navy carried out the Operation Trident. That was a significant attack on the part of Karachi of Pakistan. So I think that Navy Day is not just a remembrance of history, but also a strategic importance in protecting the nation. So at the end, I wish a very happy Navy Day. Thank you and Jai Hind.
जय हिंद एवरीवन, माई सेल्फ एंजल। आप सभी को नौसेना दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। आइए इस नौसेना दिवस पर हम उन अमर शहीद एवं वीर जवानों को आभार प्रकट करते हैं जिन्होंने महासागर की गहराई पर हमारी रक्षा की है। धन्यवाद।
Jai Hind everyone, my name is Shalu Karsolia and I am here for the ND preparation. Do you know why do we celebrate Navy Day on 4th of December? Yeah, on this day in 1971, during the war of India-Pakistan, we get victory over Operation Trident without losing a single ship or single sailor. We were sleeping our home peacefully because the naval officers were paying their all the efforts or sacrificing over the seas. So we remember their sacrifice and their efforts. We salute all the naval officers and their families who pay their all the efforts to save our lives. Thank you.
Jai Hind everyone, myself Nishtha Jain, and on the occasion of Navy Day, I would like to pay my tribute to the Indian Navy. Navy Day is celebrated to commemorate Navy's successful attack on Karachi Harbour during Operation Trident, which was held between India-Pakistan in 1971. The day is dedicated to the naval personnel who sacrificed and lost their lives in the war. Currently, India has 140 to 150 warships in its current active fleet. India has two major fleets, the Western Fleet, which operates in Arabian Sea and is headquartered in Mumbai, and the Eastern Fleet, which operates in Bay of Bengal and is headquartered in Visakhapatnam. India also has two operational aircraft. The first is INS Vikramaditya, which was acquired from Russia, and the second is INS Vikrant, which is first aircraft which is built and designed in India. Jai Hind, and I wish you all a happy Navy Day. Thank you.
Jai Hind everyone, I am Lakshmi and I am grateful to all the Indian Navy personnel who stand strong in the toughest conditions. Your bravery, sacrifices and the strength you put throughout your life, those means a lot. Thank you. Happy Indian Navy Day.
Jai Hind everybody, I am Palak Chaudhary, a DDA student. As we know, we celebrate Navy Day on 4th December every year. We celebrate Navy Day on the honor to our Indian Navy Armed Forces and the success of the Operation Trident. Thank you, Jai Hind.
Jai Hind everyone, I am Navdeep Kaur, student of DDA. As we all know, we celebrate Indian Navy Day on December 4th to honor the Indian Navy's achievement and success of Operation Trident during the war 1971 India-Pakistan war. Happy Navy Day to all. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Jai Hind friends, my name is Muskan Kumari. Today I am coming here to say some words on Indian Navy. Basically, it was officially established on 26 January 1950. Basically, we celebrated 4th December as an Indian Navy Day to commemorate Operation Trident during 1971 war. Thank you so much.
Jai Hind everyone, I am Deepika Sharma from Chennai, a student of Doon Defence Academy. I am really honored to celebrate this Indian Navy Day. And Indian Navy is a symbol of power, strength and maritime excellence, where strength meets the courage and duty meets the pride. They rules the sea and rides the wave. Happy Indian Navy Day. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Jai Hind everyone, myself Aditi and I am the student of DDA. Today I am wishing you a happy Navy Day. Let's appreciate the sacrifice of our Indian soldiers, men and women. Thank you.
Jai Hind everybody, I am Prabjot Kaur from Doon Defence Academy. First of all, happy Navy Day to everyone. We celebrate Navy Day because of the success of Operation Trident in 1971 between Indo-Pakistan war. We celebrate their achievements and let's express our deepest gratitude to the heroes who keep our nation safe. Thank you and Jai Hind.
Good morning everyone, I am Isha, an NDA cadet of Doon Defence Academy. On behalf of the entire academy, I extend our heartfelt greetings on the occasion of Indian Navy Day. We remember the courage, commitment and strength of our Navy. 4 December marks the victory of Operation Trident in 1971, a reminder of fearlessness and professionalism of our naval warriors. As an NDA cadet, this day inspires me to uphold the values of duty, discipline and dedication towards the nation. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Jai Hind everyone, I am Ananya, a DDA student. As we all know that Navy Day is celebrated on 4th of December every year, a day that reminds us of courage and unwavering dedication of our naval forces. As we celebrate this day, we honor the Indian Navy on the success of Operation Trident in the Indo-Pak War of 1971. So let's show our deepest gratitude towards the heroes of our nation who keep our nation safe. Jai Hind and thank you.
Jai Hind everyone, I am Mehak, cadet of Doon Defence Academy. First of all, happy Navy Day. As we know, on 4th December we all celebrate Navy Day in the success of Operation Trident in 1971 in Indo-Pakistan War. In the honor of we brave women and men who protect our borders with courage and dedication. In the behalf of Doon Defence Academy, I thankful to all of the men and women. And once again, happy Navy Day. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Jai Hind. My name is Pratyush Kashyap and I am currently studying at Doon Defence Academy, training for the SSB NDA 156 course. I wish you all a happy Navy Day on the occasion of the Indian Navy Day on 4th December. This day is celebrated to commemorate the Indian Navy's successful attack on the Karachi harbour during the Indo-Pakistan War in 1971. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Jai Hind, ladies and gentlemen. I am Harsh Tyagi from Saharanpur, Uttar Pradesh. I am here in DDA for my SSB preparation. So on the occasion of Navy Day, I must say, to be secure on land, we must be supreme at sea. It is because of Navy. And on the occasion of Navy Day, I wish you all happy Navy Day. Jai Hind.
Jai Hind everyone. My name is Madhvan Singh Madhauria. I am from Madhya Pradesh. I am a student of DDA. This is a huge occasion of Navy Day. We have been celebrating this day of India's triumph over Pakistan. We have destroyed Pakistan's harbour in Indo-Pak war, and I wish my huge regards to every citizen of this country. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Good morning everyone. My name is Abhinav Rana. I am a student of NDA in Sandeep Sir's Doon Defence Academy. 4th December is a day of our great Navy. We celebrate this Navy victory over Pakistan of success of Operation Trident, which we launched in 1971 in Indo-Pak War. In this operation we destroyed Pakistan Karachi harbour and their many ships, and in fact we didn't lost any of the ships. That show our Navy tactics, courage and the capability of and the excellence in their technology. That showed how great our Navy is. People misjudge that Navy just operates in ocean or in the sea, but our Navy operates in air, in water, in land, and even below the water. We have many great ships like Vikrant and Vikramaditya. They are aircraft carrier, followed by submarine INS Arihant, which is a nuclear powered submarine. It is a great honor that our Navy save our maritime borders from other enemies and any threats which are given by another country or anything. It's very been proud that Indian Navy are safeguarding us. Thank you and have a nice day. Jai Hind.
Good morning everyone. I, Shekhar Auto, student of DDA. Today I am glad to say that our coaching is celebrating the Navy Day on 4th December with a great joy, and I am really going to enjoy that. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Jai Hind everyone. I am student of NDA aspirant, and today I like to say about the Navy Day, and this is very achievable day for our Indian Navy and very pride for our officers. And on that day we get the trident victory on 1971 war, Indo-Pakistan war, and we celebrate our day and know the people that how our Navy is and how we are proud to be an Indian.
Jai Hind everyone, my name is Sheikh Misra. I am from DDA, student of NDA aspirant. Why we celebrate Navy Day? Navy Day celebrate of a great success on 4 December 1971, in which Indian Navy surprise attack on Karachi, a main fort destroyed, included of PNS Khaibar also. That's why we have celebrated a great success of Navy in 4 December 1971. Thank you and Jai Hind.
Jai Hind everyone, my name is Gagandeep Chaudhary and I am a student in DD. Today is the auspicious and a very great day for our nation. It's 4 December, the Navy Day. This day is celebrated on great victory over the Pakistan, where Indian Navy completely destroyed the Karachi harbour with the anti-ballistic missiles with 0 casualties and no losses in any armed weapons and artilleries, etc. We often mistook that the Indian Navy is just limited to the waters and oceans and seas. Actually, it works on land, water and below water as well. We should feel proud on our Navy as it protects us in water from the other nations and enemies and threats all over the world. And I wish you a very happy and auspicious and with a proud Navy Day.
Jai Hind everyone, my name is Saurabh Pathak. I am from Bihar. I am the student of DDA and I am preparing for NDA as well as Air Force. Today is a very great day for you all. Today is an Indian Navy Day and today's day is December 4. I wish you a very good day to all of you. Today is glorious day for all. I want to show the glories for all the team DDA as well as for all the Chief of Naval Staff. And Samna Varuna, Jai Hind.
Good morning all, my name is Ashish Munde. I am from Telangana. I am a student of DDA. I am here preparing for the NDA course, and today is the 4th December, which is also known as Navy Day. On this day we celebrate the Indo-Pak war. On this day in 1971, the Indian Navy has destroyed the Karachi port where through the anti-ballistic missiles, and I proudly say that our Indian Navy is doing their work very goodly. Jai Hind, thank you.
Indian Navy ki Jai! Indian Navy ki Jai! Indian Navy ki Jai! भारतीय नौसेना की जय! भारतीय नौसेना की जय! जय हिंद! जय हिंद! जय हिंद!
Kindly subscribe D-Day YouTube channel and don't forget to press bell icon.